Light Assist, your personal high beam assistant. Light Assist supports you when driving at night by largely automating the change between high beam lights to dimmed headlights. It can detect oncoming traffic and vehicles ahead and automatically controls the high beam for you. This makes for better road illumination, enabling you to detect hazards as early as possible. Meanwhile, you can fully concentrate on what's happening on the road ahead. This system enables you to keep the high beam on for longer and to use it more frequently. When passing through illuminated areas, Light Assist can also detect and automatically switch between high beam lights and dimmed headlights. Convenient automatic control of your high beam lights. Thanks Volkswagen Light Assist.
Volkswagen.